These are my pepperoni pizza fries, loaded with homemade pizza sauce, stretchy mozzarella and tasty cheddar. You can make them for dinner, serve as a game day food or even as a party food. You won't believe how quickly they disappear. And I'm going to show you how to change them up to make them your own. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. These pizza fries are super tasty and amazingly versatile. From the chip base to the sauce to all of those lovely toppings, you can really make it your own. But I'm going to show you how I do it. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by cooking the chips. You can use your favourite YouTubers' homemade chips, wink wink, or you can just grab a bag of frozen chips like I've done today and whack them in the oven. I love to use these crinkly chips as the sauce and the cheese really gets into those crinkles, making every bite really tasty. So we're going to put them in the oven and cook them as per the pack instructions. So I know in my salt and pepper chips video, I said, I'm in the UK, so I'm calling them chips. However, nobody searches for pizza chips. And if you do search for pizza chips, you get a load of results for pizza flavoured crisps. So I'm calling them pizza fries, but just know, in my head, I'm calling them chips. So about 5 minutes before those chips are ready, we're going to make the pizza sauce. So we're going to pour 120 ml, which is about half a cup of passata, into a jug or a small bowl. If you don't know what passata is, it's essentially pureed tomatoes that have been sieved to remove the seeds and the skin, and it's got a lovely thick sauce-like consistency, which is perfect for these pizza fries. If you're in the US, I believe this is known as tomato puree, which is very different from the tomato puree that we get in the UK. And if you want a super quick shortcut for this sauce that I'm going to be making, you can just replace it with store-bought pizza sauce. We're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or tomato paste if you're in the US, plus 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and half a teaspoon each of dried thyme, garlic powder and onion powder. Mix it all together until thoroughly combined. By now those chips should be just about ready, so we want to take them out of the oven and then we can start piling on all of those lovely pizza toppings. Now we really want to pile those chips up nice and high, so what you can do is just move them all over to the corner of the tray so we've got a nice pile, or you can transfer them to a smaller baking tray, and that's what I'm going to do because that's what I'm going to serve them on, but that's completely optional. Once we've got those chips piled up, we're going to drizzle over the pizza sauce that we made earlier. Next on goes the first layer of cheese. I'm using a mixture of grated mature cheddar cheese and grated mozzarella. One of the things I love about these is they're so versatile and you can add on whatever toppings you like. I'm going to start off with some sliced red pepper. Then sprinkle on the rest of the cheese. I'm using about 75 grams, which is about 3/4 of a cup of grated cheddar, and 100 grams, which is about a cup of mozzarella in total. Now add a nice pinch of dried oregano. I'm also going to top it off with about 15 slices of pepperoni. Now place it back in the oven at about 200C or 400F for 8 to 10 minutes until the pepperoni is lightly cooked and the cheese is melted. Then top with a little fresh parsley and serve. You can swap out the parsley for some fresh basil, or even pile it up with some pea shoots or some fresh rocket for a lovely peppery taste. As I say, this recipe is really versatile, so make it your own. I'd love to know what your favourite pizza toppings are, so let me know in the comments below. And if you like this recipe, you'll love my salt and pepper chips recipe. See you over there.